Why UK millionaires are escaping in record numbers. Where are they going in 2025? Hello and welcome to Tropical Capitalist, where we help you protect your assets, grow your wealth, and live freely in tropical low-tax countries. Okay, if you're a high net worth individual in the UK, you're probably already feeling the squeeze. First, they scrape the non-dom regime, meaning even if your income is generated outside of the UK, HMRC wants a piece of it. Then they introduced wealth taxes, 2% on assets over £10 million. Not long ago, it was 50 million. Now it's 10 million. What's next? 2 million? 500? Okay, you think you're safe? Well, think again. They've added a VAT to private school fees, frozen income tax threshold, and ramped up stamp duties. Oh, while London becomes more dangerous by the day. Okay, knife crime, illegal immigration, chaos in the streets, and the wealthy, you're the target, both of crime and policy. They won't catch the person who stabbed a man for the Rolex, but criticize government migration policy. The police shows up at your house the next day. So what's the solution? It's time to set your plan B, and that means residency and citizenship in countries that actually want you and protect your wealth, freedom, and family. Let me break it down for you. Here are 3 most powerful tropical countries to consider in 2025. Number 1, Panama, the Wall Street of Latin America. Panama is a financial powerhouse with a dollarized economy, strategic location, and some of the most robust banking infrastructure in the region. I mean, it's no wonder it's home to hundreds of multinational companies. You can get permanent residency in Panama in just a few months. You can qualify for citizenship after just 5 years. Foreign income, taxed at 0. Crypto-friendly, absolutely. Banking privacy, still strong. And we help clients open accounts remotely starting from just $5,000. And don't forget, Panama real estate is one of the most undervalued in the world for a capital city. We help our clients invest in high-yield properties or even buy lots and build from scratch, with our team managing short-term or long-term rentals for maximum ROI. Now we have number 2, Paraguay, the hidden European escape hatch in Latin America. This is honestly the most underrated country in South America. Paraguay offers residency in just 90 days, citizenship possible after 3 years of real residency, so you have to live there for 3 years. 0% tax on foreign income, unlike Panama. Solid land ownership. Undervalued real estate in one of the fastest growing cities in the region, Asunción. Okay, here for less than the price of a London studio, we'll help you buy a property or lot. Build your dream villa and own it outright with full control. Crime, low. Inflation, low. Government, hands off. And yes, Paraguay is one of the most crypto-friendly countries in the world. Number 3, El Salvador, the world's first Bitcoin nation. Okay, President Bukele has changed the game. Bitcoin is a legal tender, real estate is booming, safety is improving fast, and you can get residency in days and start your citizenship clock immediately. We offer full relocation services, beachfront villa construction, and property management. If you're in tech, crypto, or sovereignty, well, El Salvador is becoming the new frontier. So, let's do this. Why are people still stuck in places like the UK? Well, let's be honest. The UK in 2025 is a pressure cooker. More taxes, more crime, less freedom, diminishing public services, and growing authoritarianism. No wonder over 10,800 millionaires left the UK in 2024, and in 2025, that number is expected to rise to over 16,000, the highest millionaire outflow in the world. People are voting with their feet. They are heading to Switzerland, Portugal, the UAE, and now Latin America. So now that you know what's happening, Don't hesitate to book a free consultation with us because we can advise you and guide you if you're interested in making the move. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and we cannot wait to help you. I know it's a critical time, and we would be glad to guide you step by step. See you on the next video.
At My Second Option, we're constantly looking for the best investment and the right fit for you. We are out here walking the land, going to the properties, meeting with developers, checking permits, and building the connections that matter. We operate in Panama, Paraguay, and El Salvador, 3 countries full of opportunity, each with their own rhythm and potential. In Paraguay, we focus on sovereign living, low-cost land, legal residency, and long-term value for those who want peace and security outside the noise. In El Salvador, we guide you through the frontier of freedom, from ocean viewscapes to off-grid living in a country embracing innovation, Bitcoin, and new beginnings. And here in Panama, we bring you options, from tropical villas to city apartments to turnkey Airbnb setups in a country with strong infrastructure, 0% tax on foreign income, embracing cryptocurrency, technology, global access, and an international way of living. We handle everything: second citizenship, relocations, real estate, construction, remodelations, development, legal and accounting advice, property management, and more. We help you establish your business through our network with the best in-house team of lawyers and accountants. We're hands-on, transparent, and always tailored to your goals. Whether you're relocating, investing, or just building a plan B, we help you do it right and do it smart. We are always seeking for the right investment for you. So don't hesitate to contact us. Our WhatsApp link is in the description. Or scan the QR code at the end of the video to connect with us directly. And make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you on the next one.